Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to see your archived cards in Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to see the archived cards in Trello, you just simply have to open your Trello application into your device, and after opening the Trello, you will see this homepage into your Trello. Now you just simply have to select the board in which you want to see the archived cards. For example, I'm selecting this basic board, and after that you just simply have to tap into this three dot into the top right corner, and from there you will get to see so many options again. Now you just simply have to tap into this three dots again, and after tapping into that three dots you will get to see so many options once again. You just simply have to scroll down until you see this archived cards option directly. Now, in order to see the archived cards, just simply tap into archived cards and you can see all of the archived cards that you have into this specific board. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.